Hello everyone, we are here for public speaking in
in Rishikesh, at the bank of this river Ganga, and we have here so many students with us. There are just 5 to 6 students today. Like more students were supposed to come, but only 5 could come. So all the students will come here one by one and deliver speeches on some specific topics that they have prepared today. And I'm very happy because in Rishikesh, this is my first experience. Back in Delhi, when I used to train in Delhi, I would take my students for public speaking every weekend. But here, ever since I got settled in Rishikesh, this is the first time I'm gonna do it with my students. So I'm so thrilled about it. Shilpa, are you excited?
yeah, I'm so excited.
So am I. Let's start. So we're gonna invite the first speaker.
Good afternoon or good evening.
I think good evening.
It's yet afternoon, I guess, not yet 4 p.m. It's afternoon, that's okay. Alright, so Simran, ready? Simi, please give us a big smile. Alright.
Hello, good afternoon everyone. So today I would like to speak some lines about importance of English. English is very important for us. Studying English can help you to get a job, and learning English can help you to meet new people. English is spoken as first language by all around world, 100 million of people. English is a language of 53 countries. That's why English is very important. There are many websites in English, and many scientific papers are in English, and traveling is lot easier with the help of learning English. That's all about importance of English. Thank you.
Wait, where are you going? Wait. Good. So you spoke very well, Simi. Thank you for preparing
Clap
this
for
speech.
her.
Yeah, we should clap. All of us should clap for her. Thank you. Okay? Because your voice is getting recorded here. Alright, yeah. Good luck. Wait. I'll move to your right. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Now it's Nimi's turn. Come on.
Hi, good afternoon everyone.
Good afternoon.
Today I would like to talk about importance of English. So first of all, English is the language of international communication. Although English is not the most spoken language in the world, it is the official language in 53 countries and is spoken as a first language. It is also as a second language in the world, and there are millions of people
There are millions of people.
around the world who speak English. By learning the English language, we can communicate with other people and acquire English. That's all about importance of English.
Okay, so in which class do you read?
I study in 7th standard.
In
Seventh
7th standard.
standard.
Oh, that's good. All right. So Nimi, it was very well. Thank you so much. Good. You have improved. You speak better than before. Good. I'm happy about it. Clap or down the camera. Anyways. Oh, I think even more. Okay. Ready, dear?
Yes, sir.
Ready?
Say
Okay.
good afternoon everyone.
Hello, good afternoon everyone. Today I would like to introduce in myself. My name is Dakshpayal. I am from Nilkhand, but I live at Bapugram, Rishikesh. I read in class 4th. My school name is Bright Public Junior High School. There are 4 members in my family. I have one younger sister. If I talk about my hobbies, I like to play cricket and drawing, and I want to become YouTuber in the future. That's all about myself. Thank you.
Wow, man. Okay. Ready, boy?
Yes, sir.
Oh, man. Good. So here we go, everybody. Akash is gonna rock, huh? Come in the middle of this grill. All right. I want to take this scenery actually. Can you stand a little bit here? Yeah. Good. It's pretty well. Okay, buddy. So here we go. Come on, dear. Yeah.
Hello, good morning. Oh, sorry.
It's good evening. Yeah, it's good afternoon, buddy. Come on.
Okay.
Good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon. My name is Akash Saha. Today I would like to talk about the why should we learn English. Okay, the first thing is English is the most used and spoken language around the world. At least 1 out of 5 people can speak and understand English. Second thing is English is the official language of 57 countries around the world. It means you can increase your ability with the people to communicate to the people at different countries and continents. English by speaking English, it increases your ability for getting opportunities in jobs and placement. It increases your educational opportunities, so you can go to international schools, and there you can attend the seminars, so you can get a better education. The third thing is English is very easy language rather than other languages like German, French, and the last one is by speaking English, it can be a good reflection in front of people, your personality. Thank you.
Mishti, ready?
Yes, sir.
Can you smile? Yeah, come on, start. Introduce yourself now. Come on, start. My name is. Start.
Hi everyone, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
I would like to talk about myself. My name is Mr. Prasad. I live in IDPL.
Yeah, loudly. Very good, dear.
I am in 3rd class. I have 4 members in my family, my father, my mother and one brother. If I talk about my hobbies are gardening, studying, painting. I want to become doctor.
Oh.
That's all about myself. Thank you.
All right, so dear students, dear friend, that's it. This is how we help our students communicate better, because in order to take the hesitation or nervousness out of their body and mind, we must put them into some such difficult circumstances. I mean, while they were speaking right over here in front of you, many people were passing by. And when people who are the passerbys, the people who pass by, watch somebody speaking like this, it is very natural for the speaker to get nervous. And when this activity is done repeatedly, definitely our students will be more confident. So I'm gonna take them almost every weekend outside for public speaking activities. So Shilpa, please ask them to, like and subscribe to the channel.
So please subscribe our channel and like the video. Thank you so much for watching the video.